Even though racial disparities are impacting vaccination rates across the country, Mississippi is setting its own trend, becoming the first state to reach a milestone in the Black community. COVID-19 specialist Amanda Decker is here to explain.
Mississippi is now officially the first state in the country to reach vaccine equality for African Americans receiving COVID-19 vaccinations. It's a huge milestone, especially when you compare the state's numbers to the remainder of the nation. 38% of Mississippi's population is Black, and members of that community have now received 30% of the state's vaccines. The average in the U.S., only 8% of Black Americans have been vaccinated. The Mississippi Department of Health says those numbers do still need to improve. And according to a recent survey conducted by the health department, 21% of Black Mississippians said they did not want to get the shots at all. 21% still weren't sure. The concern is understandable, with so many members of our Black community still worried about the horrific Tuskegee study where Black men were promised syphilis treatments but never given medicine. The experiment was supposed to last 6 months, but lasted 40 years and resulted in the death of many patients. But State Health Officer Dr. Thomas Dobbs says more deaths are exactly what he is trying to prevent, and the Black community has been hit hard by COVID-19. Across this country, in all demographics, COVID-19 was the third leading cause of death in the country in 2020, but the overall death rates were highest among Black and Hispanic Americans, and that's why health experts are urging anyone who can get vaccinated to do so as soon as possible. Reporting for Fox 23 News at 9, I'm COVID-19 specialist Amanda Decker.